Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix missing msvcp110.dll on Windows 11. So easy way, open any browser and type here msvcp110.dll missing download. Now here guys, you have to open this official link msvcp11.dll. So it's DLL official website. Scroll down and download as your PC requirement, like 32 or 64 bit. Now double click on this zip file and extract. Now copy this msvcp110.dll. Now open File Explorer, open local disk, Windows. Here find out system32 folder. Now paste that file which you copy. It will ask replace the file in the destination, so click on yes. Now continue. It will ask permission. Now close it and restart. So hopefully guys, after this you can fix and resolve missing msvcp110.dll on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.